si Takbi talaga PR boy. PR boy. Oh. Iba talaga eh.
Sanay talaga siya, no?
Oh, Jumanjo!
Chika. This is the biggest and the leader.
We lost away quite many kids.
Tumaba ka na, no?
Because there was a not strictly kept.
So he actually brought the cat inside the house. The kitten, yeah. But he's male, ha? Yeah. Chito.
Hindi kaya Bex, kasi may maternal
He's also a
instincts.
rescuer. He's also actually, it's funny because several of our cats, si Yellow, meron kami isang cat, sis. Alam mo ginawa niya? Yung isang kitten na ni-rescue namin, it was in the middle of the road and then he witnessed Yellow because the kitten was crying. Yes. So Yellow actually went to this middle, he did this to the cat, para tinapik, but he did not move. Oh, no. So what he did was, he got it by the scruff, by the neck, and then put him on our gate. By the gate, so nakita ni Marcel. That's the reason why we were... Are you cat lovers ba? No.
Yan, feeding time.
They're all rescued. It's so cute.
You see an animal on the road. Look, I can tell you, for me as foreigner, she knows me. I'm very straight as German, so I don't talk nice stuff around. Yeah. When I go out, I don't want to go out here because I see every time shit with the animals. Yeah, that they are squashed on the road and all that. So that is
for sure that they'll be brought to shelters, and most of our shelters here are kill shelters. Killing shelters. When you say kill shelters, the animals, when they don't get adopted in 5 days time, they are put down. They get euthanized. That's why they're called kill shelters. Put so much of a value for this purebred over something that already exists and is homeless, right?